When you sign up for a Facebook account and download the app on your iOS device, your iPhone or iPad, it actually gets access to your microphone. So if you're convinced that Facebook is listening in from that microphone access, there is a way to actually turn that off and stop Facebook from having access. And I wanted to make this video to show you how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your settings. And once you're in settings, go ahead and scroll down and you should see a privacy tab. So this changes from time to time depending on where your iOS update is, but it should have that blue icon there. Go ahead and press privacy. And once you click that, you should get this microphone icon right in the middle of the page. Again, if it's been moved around, just make sure you search for it or look for an updated video. I'm gonna click that here, the microphone icon. These are all the different apps that have access to my microphones. All you have to do is click that slider, and now Facebook no longer has access to your microphone, and you could do the same with other apps like Snapchat, Skype, Reddit. Just some of the few examples of some of the apps I have that have access to the microphone. I've turned it off here for Fortnite as well.